Hi everyone, and welcome to my art channel. I'm Tracy. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. Tonight I'm going to do a quick pearl pour. If you've seen some of my most recent pearl videos, I was saying how I kind of wanted to work on my recipe a little bit. And I have been doing that. I've been a mad scientist. All of my tables in my studio are filled with different concoctions. But I just want to show you real quick, like an example. Like this was my old recipe. It was so reactive that most of the time it just ate up the color. So I have been playing around and I think I've gotten it. Look at how pretty and crisp those pearls are. And to be honest with you, it is a combination of a recipe I've been using. I spoke at length with Sarah Taylor, so it's a little bit of her recipe. She's always been my mentor when it comes to a pearl pour. And then it's a lot of my own, and I'm calling it my 3-2-1 because it is simple, it's easy, the products are easy to find, they're inexpensive, and I will be releasing this recipe publicly after the Fluidart Boutique in Washington, D.C., August 6th, 7th, and 8th. I will be teaching this course there, so I'm kind of saving the recipe secrets for my students at Fab. So if you want to be one of the first ones that get this recipe, sign up for one of my classes at the Fluidart Boutique and you will know it. But again, I will be releasing it publicly after that. I'll give you a big hint. In my last video, when I was doing the product review for the company Meeden, I discovered something with their paint that was mind-blowing. So that's what I'm super excited about. Anybody that does the pearl pour, we know that after Artist Loft changed their soft or their flow to their soft body, it kind of messed everything up because it made everything way too reactive. And everybody just tons of people have been trying to figure out, a simple recipe like we used to be able to do when we could use the Artist Loft flow. And that was sort of my goal. And there are beautiful recipes out there, I think everybody kind of knows that, I just drew a blank, Melly D and Elise Fournier, they are the, as far as I know, the original creators of the pearl pour. So to me, they are the masters of it. But I've personally learned mine mainly from Sarah Taylor, Michelle Galley, and Tara Lombardi. So I've kind of just taken a little bit of all of that knowledge, put it into one, and come up with what I'm calling my 3-2-1 recipe. Anyway, we are getting ready to get on a plane in the morning to go to the Fluidart Boutique in Dublin. So I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible, but entertaining along the way too. So I showed you my colors in the beginning. I've got an array of a bunch of colors, and how this color palette started was when I was doing that product review for Meeden. They had one that was a metallic red. I was like, oh, that's a cool color. Let's try that. And this is it. So it's not really a red, it's more like a, I don't know, a coppery, blushy, bronzy, like this would be the perfect rouge if you were wearing makeup. So that's how it started, and I just kind of built it from there. So I'm going to get my base coat laid down, start laying down these colors, tilt it out, put you guys to some music, and then I'll touch base with you in the end. So enjoy the music and enjoy the painting.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line.
All right, everyone. First of all, please excuse the messy table. I had so much fun this afternoon when I should be packing and getting ready for Dublin. But I have just played and done things that I haven't done in a long time. That right there, that one right there is literally me taking all my leftover paints, throwing them in a cup and just pouring them on a canvas. I don't know what it is, but I love the vibrancy of the colors I just had fun. So I highly suggest everybody do that every now and then. Just go in your studio, no idea of what you're gonna do, no intention, no specific technique, and just play. Anyhow, here is the results, or are the results? Here are the results of this pearl pour, probably about 20 minutes after I did it. I can honestly say, I think this is the first time I've ever done a pearl pour where I've covered the entire canvas. This is so different than any pearl pour I normally ever do. I normally have a lot of negative space and like intention to it, but these colors were just so pretty together. I just, oh, sorry about that glare. Should have turned that overhead light off. Oh, sorry. But they just played so well together. And the main thing is I wanted to show you is how crisp these pearls are with this recipe. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. It takes a little bit longer for it to react, which to me is a great thing because it gives you a little bit more wiggle room and play time to get your composition the way you want it. It's weird. This is I don't even think I said, but this is a 12 by 24, so they're always hard to capture the whole thing when your camera is in landscape mode. But let me see if I can back up. It has a, speaking of landscape, it has kind of a landscape feel to me, but I just love this recipe and the crispness of these pearls that it makes. And again, it doesn't eat up your paint. It's just, I don't know. Oh, I should have turned off that light, guys. I'm so sorry. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much. Y'all, I hit 18,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I'm blown away. Thank you to all of you. When I get back from Dublin, I'm gonna do a video. We'll do a giveaway to celebrate all of you guys joining my channel and following me along. But I'm just thank you from the bottom of my heart. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And like I said, I will be releasing this recipe after Fluidart Boutique DC. But if you want to know it first, sign up for my class. The link is down in my description box along with everything else. And I still will have the discount code to the Meeden paints. Like I said, that was what started this color palette. But I love you guys so much. I'm getting ready to go get on a plane and go have some fun at the Fluidart Boutique. And I will catch you. I'm probably already there by the time this airs. So still have to edit and get it uploaded. So, but I will see you guys when I get back. And I love you all. Thank you for joining me. And everybody take care. And as always, until next time. Bye, friends.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing.